Oh no, I'm gonna be late for school. I mean, I wish I could fly like Superman. Oh, it would make my life so much easier. Oh gosh. I wish I could run like the Flash. Oh wait, I'm late!
Hello. How was Afrikaans?
It's the most boringest thing I've ever done because today was the longest day I've ever been.
Why was that?
Because I mean, I can't use my freaking wish I had superpowers. You know, like I wish I could fly, but today I can't. Like I was late, and like imagine I had super speed flying. I could get to school the quickest. I mean, that would just be amazing. And also get out there and Afrikaans test. Like seriously, who does that?
Oh, that's just sad. You know that Afrikaans was brought to South Africa because of apartheid.
Actually, you're wrong. It was invented by the Dutch in the 1820s by Jan van Riebeeck and all them. It's a large language
Yes,
combined.
but then apartheid happened because the Europeans and the Dutch.
Okay, I
came
get
to South
it.
Africa.
I get it, child. Relax. Anyway, yeah.
Essay
How is your English essay?
sucks because it was creative writing.
How do you not like creative writing? I can express my one wish to get superpowers. Like my one wish.
Yes, but for the essay it was like 10 pages long, so it made us do it very long.
Yeah, I don't care. At least I get to write about being a superhero. So, how was physics?
It sucked, like legit. I had to learn this thing called electrolysis. Like, what even is that? I could have just googled it. I have an iPad.
Okay, yeah, I can see your troubles, child. It's okay, I can see your troubles. I mean, I had physics after you, and he let us just play games. Like, let's go.
I hate that.
Yeah. Anyway. So, I mean, I just want to know, quick question. Who is your favorite Marvel superhero?
Iron Man.
Seriously, Captain. Anyway, catch you in the flip back.
Okay, bye bye.
Whoa! What's this? Thing you're doing on a water spout. Just like a shark tooth. Whoa! I imagine what this thing could do. This feels great. Whoa, why do I have a sudden urge to eat grass? Hey, what's that? Is that a tortoise? Oh my gosh. Am I a tortoise? Wait, how? Whoa, where am I now? Where am I? Am I at a tree? Is that a bird? Oh, these look so good. Oh, I want to eat these so bad. Oh, gosh. Oh no, I don't feel so good. A flower? Oh, this looks so good. I want to eat this so badly. Look at it. It's so amazing. Oh, there you go. That's the stuff. Oh, yes. Oh, the pollen feels so good. Wait. If I'm a bee, does that make me... Oh, wait a minute. No.
Why are we at a construction space?
It's not the yeah, okay, look. So apparently the school's doing this whole big like security innovation space now. That's just gonna be really. Anyways, like I had this crazy, and I mean crazy dream. So I was just sleeping, having like a bit of a nightmare, and then all of a sudden I transform into a tortoise.
Life must be slow.
Dude, you're my best friend. Come on, leave me. Anyway, I was the tortoise. I was slowly moving. I found another tortoise friend, and somehow I could understand him. Anyway, I transformed somehow, and became a bird. I don't know. It was weird. Anyway, I ate seeds from a bird feeder. They tasted good. Don't judge me. Anyway,
Okay.
I turned into a bee. Kind of got addicted to pollen for a few minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna transformed. And then yeah, my dream ended. I got dressed and ready, and yeah, here I am. I know it's a lot.
So
But
your
the thing is,
dream.
I think it's from this.
So hold on. So your dream, like, you could sense stuff in your dream.
Yeah.
You can feel it, and
Yeah, like I was the actual animal. Dude, it's from a snake or something. I found it yesterday on a water scout. On the way back. I know it's a bit weird and dodgy and stuff, but don't judge me. It's cool.
okay.
Oh,
That is.
we gotta get to school before we pull it from late.
Technically, they are from a different long area.
I just hear that boys kind of got superpowers. Do you believe me?
Kinda, I guess, because I mean, first time I've ever heard this stuff. You know.
I mean, I'm your best friend. Like, you have to believe me. Come on. Oh man, I need the toilet. So, can I go to the toilet? Yes.
Right, gents, it's something that's come to my attention. So a boy told me one of you has been claimed to have superpowers, and whoever that boy is must come to me personally. Don't worry, you're not in trouble.
Man, I'm back. So, I'm gonna mess.
Oh, so ask who has superpowers, and you must go tell them personally.
Damn. They can find.
There's
How
someone
did
in
they?
this
So,
class.
how did someone find out about it?
I don't know. He just said there's somebody in this class.
I just
so he
told
knows.
you.
Hmm?
I only told you.
Yeah, and I'm being aware, as you can see.
Are you sure you didn't snitch on me?
Nah, I was
I
with
don't
you
know,
the
I
entire
trust you.
time. I was with you the entire time, so
Sure. Yeah, I guess. But I mean, it's not. I mean, it could be superpowers.
maybe that's just a dream.
Yeah. But I mean, they've got like superpowers. So it's just a dream. Wait. Whoa, dude. Hey, those look like FBI agents. What are they doing here?
I don't know. Maybe they had to find the guy that had superpowers because Sir already knows.
Oh gosh.
He doesn't know who it is.
Dude,
He knows
wait,
it's
like-
somebody.
Dude, when I'm gonna meet. Dude, they're probably gonna chase me.
How did they even know it's you?
Like, if they find out it's me, they're gonna probably chase me.
Yeah, but they don't know it's you.
Yeah, you're right.
And there's not even any evidence, so it's just a dream. They can't read your mind.
Yeah, I guess.
Unless they interrogated me because they already told me, but yeah, I don't think they know.
Dude, I can't see. All I can see is grass. All I see is grass. I can't see anything. I'm just seeing grass. I'm just seeing
Stop
grass.
the cat, bro.
I'm serious, dude. I can't see anything. I can only see grass. Wait, what's that? That's a game drive vehicle. What is that? What is that doing here? What am I? I'm a
Can you see
lion.
the desk?
And dude, I can't see a thing. All I can see is grass. And what is a game
Are you a
drive
lion?
doing? I think I'm a lion. I'm so
You
tall.
think?
Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm a lion. I'm a lion. What the hell? This is freaky. Aw, I'm back.
Are you
Ciao.
okay?
Yeah, dude. I was just. I don't know. It happened again. Same thing that happened in my dream.
But you're awake this time.
Yeah. Wait. Let me concentrate. Wait a minute. I'm back. Whoa, some chameleon. Whoa, the world's so big. So cool.
Are you in the Amazon?
I'm back. Let's go. I mean, it looks like I have powers. I can control them even. I finally have powers. I finally have. Oh gosh, you always so. Oh shoot. But so, this is my life. Don't dream, you know.
Yeah, but your dream was to fly.
Still, I got a power at long last. Oh well. Yeah. I wonder if it's smudged. Like, long last. Also, dude, so, we might have a problem. Someone probably overheard us about me talking that I think I have superpowers in my dream. Dude, I have powers. Someone.
Can't you just make a bird? Can't you control the bird and do it? I'm controlling the bird right now.
Oh, he's holding it up. Yeah, no, and he's doing. Yeah, I don't know what to do that again. Yeah. But dude, we gotta be careful. There's FBI agents all around the school. Dude. So look, I got a plan. So we're gonna cut off the power. They won't catch us.
All can't see us.
Yeah. And we can ditch the school.
What's our parents going to do about this stuff? I'm innocent. I have no powers. I won't do anything.
It's okay. But the thing is, I think maybe if we can pretty much escape the power, if we get cut the power out, that means we can pretty much be home free. And like, sure, our parents may be like, oh, they ran away. But the thing is, they don't overheard us. And our voices are very recognizable. Yeah, we're gonna go into it. We're gonna do this. Last lesson. So you need the bathroom. Okay, let's do this.
Algebra sucks, man.
I mean, yeah, why do we have to do math like the last lesson? I mean, it makes me want to go home and do more words. Anyway, okay, look, here's the plan. So, as soon as I say, so we can go to the bathroom, you wait, and then I'll give the signal. Signal is, and then we both go to get the power out, and we can escape.
Okay.
I mean, look at Sir, he's looking at us. Stop.
So obsessed.
So, can I go to the bathroom? Yes. So.
Sir, can I go to the bathroom? Thank you. Ah, yes.
Ethan, man. No, where's that Ethan?
Yo, what's up?
You made it, dude. I was worried.
Yeah, it's very tense back then, man. Everybody's freaking out.
So what did you do?
I pulled the fire alarm. Everybody's freaking out, man.
I put the pretty much power. So they probably got.
It's pitch black there, bro. Seriously.
Yeah. And I heard that alarm going off. And I was clapping. But I mean, look, this has all happened because of this. Like, I can't just hold this and keep this for myself. We should use for the world, or not.